How to replace the backrest actuator on the Human Touch Quies massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts for use during reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Now, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw and washer to disconnect the ground wires. Locate the black rubber casing that covers the backrest actuator connectors, then cut the zip tie that secures it. Slide the casing up to expose the connectors, then press the tab to disconnect the connectors and remove the casing. To remove the backrest actuator, first locate the Allen screw and nut that secures the actuator at each end, and use pliers or vice grip and a 6 mm Allen wrench to remove each Allen screw. You will also need to remove the metal inserts from each end and the 2 washers from the end of the actuator shaft. To install the new backrest actuator, place into position and place the metal insert and 2 plastic washers previously removed at the end of the actuator shaft. While holding the washers and metal insert in place, slide the shaft into the rear mounting bracket, aligning the holes. Using an Allen screw and nut previously removed, insert the Allen screw from the bottom and install the nut at the top by hand. Then use pliers or vice grip and a 6 mm Allen wrench to secure. Repeat to secure the other end of the actuator to the front mounting bracket. Slide the actuator connector through the black rubber casing previously removed. Connect to the corresponding connector from the chair, then slide the casing over the connectors. Remove any remaining zip tie from the loop on the chair frame. Insert a new zip tie to secure, cutting any excess tie. Now, secure the ground wires using the screw and washer previously removed. Finally, gently tip the chair back onto its base.